Struggling to grow on YouTube? Feel like you're doing everything right, but still not getting views? You spend hours planning, shooting, and editing only to upload your video and hear crickets. It's frustrating, and it's the #1 reason most creators quit before they ever see real success. But what if I told you the game has changed? Today, I'm going to show you how people are using AI tools to create, grow, and monetize their YouTube channels faster without burning out. We're talking about a smarter way to work, not a harder one. And we'll touch on how a special suite of tools like TubeMagic is at the center of this revolution, making it easier than ever to turn your passion into a profession.
TubeMagic, which is AI software completely dedicated to helping you excel on YouTube and having the highest chances of going viral.
When I first started my journey on YouTube, I was completely overwhelmed. I would spend over 10 hours a week just brainstorming ideas, staring at a blank page, trying to figure out what people actually wanted to watch. It was a slow, painful process. Now, with a refined workflow that incorporates powerful AI tools like TubeMagic and vid.ai, I can take a single idea and turn it into a fully scripted, optimized, and ready-to-publish piece of content in under an hour. It's not magic, it's technology. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process I use with these AI tools, from initial idea to hitting the publish button, and show you how you can leverage this same system to start monetizing your own channel far faster than you ever thought possible. Let's dive into the AI-powered YouTube workflow. This is the new blueprint for efficient and effective content creation. Instead of guessing, we use data. Instead of struggling, we use systems. The process can be broken down into 5 key stages, and AI can supercharge every single one of them. First, researching viral topics. This is the foundation. If you make videos nobody is searching for, you'll never get views. In the past, this meant hours of manual research, digging through competitor channels, and using complicated keyword tools. Now, AI does the heavy lifting. A tool like TubeMagic, for example, has a built-in viral video finder. You can input a general niche, like personal finance or home gardening, and it will instantly analyze current trends, search volume, and competitor performance to give you a list of proven video ideas that have a high potential to go viral. It removes the guesswork and ensures you're creating content for a hungry audience from the very beginning. This first step is arguably the most important, and AI makes it nearly foolproof. Second, generating titles and thumbnail ideas. Once you have your viral topic, you need to package it perfectly. Your title and thumbnail are your video's billboard. They have to grab attention in a sea of other content. AI is brilliant at this. You can feed your video topic into an AI generator and ask it to produce 20 different compelling titles. It will use formulas based on what's currently working on YouTube, incorporating curiosity, urgency, and benefits. For thumbnails, while AI can't design the final graphic for you just yet, it can generate concepts. You can ask it, give me 5 thumbnail concepts for a video titled, "The 3 AI Tools That Built My 6-Figure Business," and it will describe visual layouts, text overlays, and emotional cues to give to your designer or to build yourself. Third, whole scripts. This is where many creators find their magic. Blank pages are daunting. With AI, you never must. TubeMagic and vid.ai can create a well-structured, interesting script in minutes using your video title and a few bullet points. They're not soulless text blocks. The AI has seen numerous hours of successful YouTube material, so it knows how to compose a hook, story, and call to action. This 90% complete script can be customized with your story and voice in a few minutes. Writing and revising now takes less time than drinking coffee. TubeMagic, an AI-powered toolset, provides viral video ideas, scripts, titles, tags, and SEO-friendly descriptions. Total game changer. Fourth, SEO tags and descriptions. YouTube searches. Optimize your video with keywords, tags, and a summary to get discovered. This is another laborious chore AI automates well. TubeMagic will construct your script, generate optimized tags, and write a keyword-rich description depending on your video's content. This tells the YouTube algorithm what your video is about and who to display it to, greatly improving your search rankings and viewership. Finally, analytics, insights, and optimization. After publishing, development continues. You must comprehend your analytics. Why did one video perform better? Viewers falling where? AI is being integrated into analytics platforms to provide plain English findings. Instead of providing a graph, an AI assistant may say, "Changing topics at 2 minutes decreases audience retention. Try a speedier transition in your next video." This improves your creation skills with each upload. AI has enabled faceless YouTube channels, one of its most fascinating potential. The creator of a faceless channel never appears on camera. Voiceovers, stock video, animations, and screen recordings drive content. These channels are booming in history, meditation, money, and top 10 lists. The main benefit is that it eliminates many wannabe producers' biggest fear, being on camera. Incredible scalability is also possible. Since you're not the brand's face, you may hire others or use AI to create content and operate numerous profitable channels. AI powers high-quality faceless content for everyone. Break down the tools. Voiceovers no longer require pricey microphones or a radio voice. AI voice production techniques like 11 Labs and vid.ai S voiceover are incredibly lifelike. After pasting your script and selecting a voice style, energetic, calm, or authoritative, it will produce a clean, human-sounding audio recording. You can even clone your voice so the AI can read any script in your voice after you record yourself once. Visuals follow. A faceless video needs appealing graphics to keep viewers. AI changed it. AI-powered B-roll generators or stock library search features can find the right stock video clip for your screenplay without hours of study. AI art generators may make brand-specific images and animations. Once reserved for major studios, you may generate a script-matched video with 100% original visuals. Tube Magic hosts a faceless channel, completely streamlines pre-production. It helps you find the viral idea, create the screenplay, and feed it into your AI voiceover tool to find AI-generated images. Speed is synergistic. Content assembly line. Tube Magic helped me monetize another nameless channel. I shield my face. History is told on the channel. I record the voiceover, obtain stock video and AI visuals, and assemble once the AI decides the topic and script. This method lets me make 3 high-quality films a week for that channel in a few hours. AI-based monetization possibilities interest everyone. AI accelerates profit-driven YouTube expansion. Let's analyze the 3 basic monetization routes. Advertising is the first YouTube Partner Program revenue stream. Qualifying requires 1,000 subscriptions and 4,000 public watching hours. This can be overwhelming. Our AI method produces high-probability, efficient content. Videos with better quality get more views and subscribers. AI increases output without losing quality, so you can exceed revenue thresholds in months, not years. Second, affiliate marketing is usually more lucrative. Through your unique link, you promote your favorite products and services and receive a reward on every sale. AI rules affiliate marketing. Promote Tube Magic or vid.ai with review or lesson videos. AI can help you locate profitable niche affiliate products and make comparative films, top 5 inches lists, or problem solution videos with natural affiliate links. AI can swiftly develop content so you can build a library of affiliate-focused movies that make money 24/7. Third, make digital funnels. Make and sell ebooks, online courses, templates, and coaching. You can achieve financial freedom here. At every moment, AI can help. Outline your ebook or course with it. Write website sales page copy with it. It lets you write YouTube videos that lure viewers from free to premium content. In a Faceless Excel Tips channel, AI could generate daily tip videos and direct users to its Excel Mastery course. AI aids scaling. More content means more views, statistics on what works, and a larger following you can monetize with ads, affiliate links, and your own items. AI-driven faceless channels have significant passive revenue possibilities. Create a library of digital assets that draw viewers and generate income. The creators encounter several obstacles. Let's talk about common blunders and how AI can be your personal helper. Writing block comes initially. Each person was there. When planning a video, you may feel empty. You lack or have weak ideas. This causes most erratic posting, which kills channel momentum. AI removes writer's block. Have no idea? Ask an AI for topic ideas. If you have a topic but no structure, request an outline. The AI scriptwriter can assist you find outline terms. Creating something from nothing becomes editing and refining this. The second pitfall is editing burnout. People want to make videos but despise editing software for hours, can isolate and drain. AI is cutting huge amounts of film editing, but it's not creative. Tools may automatically find and make YouTube Shorts and TikTok popular pieces from longer films. Some audio software automatically removes silences. AI-generated B-roll and voiceovers save time, frees up energy for your favorite creative endeavors. The third and possibly most frustrating issue is submitting a video you're proud of and getting few views since it's not ranking in search or being suggested by the algorithm. I want to shout into space. Optimization problem AI optimizes. AI keyword analysis, title generation, and SEO-rich descriptions and tags help your movie get discovered. Instead of luck, you're using data to tell YouTube what your video is about and for whom. This requires no technological know-how, just use smart tools. Beginning experimentation is key. Avoid overthinking. Concentrate on production while the AI tackles the heavy lifting. Now, recap. From viral ideas to screenplay development to discovery optimization, AI can optimize your YouTube workflow. We've covered using these techniques to create scalable faceless channels. We explained how the partner program, affiliate marketing, and digital items accelerate monetization. Today, not tomorrow. Take the next step to build a faceless channel or streamline your YouTube workflow. Visit TubeMagic via the description. One of my favorite all-in-one tools for writing and ranking content rapidly, it's helped me achieve. I gave my viewers a discount through that link to help you start. Used YouTube AI tools? Please share your achievements and failures in the comments. Finally, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you like this video and want to learn more ways to grow your channel effectively. YouTube growth hacks arrive weekly. We'll create. Thanks for watching.